Hi everyone, I'm Ramesh, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, Dr. SNS, College of Arts and Science. Welcome to all of you for this lecture series video. So today we are discuss about a case study analysis from fitting straight line trend. Here we use the method of least square. The first, what is straight line? So y is equal to a plus bx is the equation of straight line. So here we find what is the trend line of this straight line. We apply the method of least square. So what is method of least square? Anybody?
Let y be a straight line, yc be the trend line. Condition satisfied in two parts. First condition is sum of y minus yc is 0. Second condition is sum of y minus yc the whole square is 0.
As we said, is correct. The method of least square is sum of y minus y is equal to 0. And second condition is sum of y minus y to the whole square is minimum. Here y is a given straight line, y is the trend line of a given line. Okay? So the y satisfy and y and y satisfy these two conditions is called method of least square. So using this, we calculate what is the normal equation of the line. So normal form or normal equation. So normal equation is nothing from this straight line. First we multiple summation on both sides. Then we get sum y is equal to sum a. Sum a means a plus a plus a plus up to sum n a. Therefore it is sum of a is n a plus b is constant into sum x. Next, this straight line is equation is multiplied by sum x. That is sum x y. A is constant multiplied by sum x. B is constant. Already we have x multiplied with sum x. Then it is sum x square. So these two are normal equations. So from this we put sum x is equal to 0. For proceeding, we find what is the value of a and b for using trend line equations. So assign that as sum x is equal to 0. Why this sum x is equal to 0? Anybody?
Sir, x is equal to a minus a. So the sum of all the value is 0. Means the sum of x value is 0.
Sum x is equal to 0. That's the reason for this. The x is calculated from y minus the mid here. So sum of all the value it has the same number, same magnitude but opposite sign. Therefore sum of all the value becomes 0. So substitute this sum x is 0 into this normal equations. When sum x is 0, here it is 0. So sum y is equal to na. Therefore we get na is equal to sum y. From this a is equal to sum y by n. A is sum y by n. What is this a is sum y by n?
Sum y divided by n means average of y or arithmetic mean divided by n.
Therefore, a is mean of y. Therefore, a is equal to sum y by n. And second, we apply sum x is equal to 0 in the second normal equations. Here sum x is 0. Therefore, in the remaining cases, sum xy is equal to sum b times sum x square. So from this, the b value is sum xy by sum x square. Using these two values, after finding the a and b, then substitute the straight line equations, we get the trend line equations. Yc is a plus bx. Okay. Now we have some problem based on this case analysis. So here the year is given from 1986 and its corresponding sales in lakhs is 70,000, and 87 year 1987 the corresponding sales is 74. Likewise 1990 the sales is 90 lakhs. Using this information, so we calculate what is the sales of 1983 and the sales of 1992. So apply this method of least square and fitting straight line trend. Then we find these two estimate value of the prediction value of 1983 and 1992. So first we write the year is 1986 to up to 1990. Then the sales already is given. It was given. So write all these things. Now we calculate x. The x value is year minus mid year. So among these all the value, the mid year is 1983. Therefore, each of the year is subtract is 1998. Okay. So here is 1986. So here the first data of 1986 is year. Subtract to 1988. So 1986 minus 88 is minus 2. Then 87 is year. 1998 is minus 1. 1988 minus 98 is 0. Then 89 minus 88 is 1. 1990 minus 1988 is 2. This is x value. So what is sum of this value? Already some of you told that minus 1 minus 2 plus 1 plus 2 is 0. Therefore sum x becomes 0. So that's the purpose. Okay. And what is x square? Directly square of this value is 4, 1, 0, 1 and 4. So So what is some x square value? The sum x square value is 10. Then xy, it is our x and it is our y. So multiple of these two is minus 140 and multiple of these two is minus 74. Then multiple of 0 into 80 is 0. Multiple of these two is 86 and multiple of 2 into 90 is 180. So sum of all value becomes 52. Before that we need what is sum y. The sum y value is 400. Sum of all the value is 400 and what is sum of xy? The sum of xy is 52. The equation is y is equal to a plus bx. So y is equal to what is a? So a is calculated from sum y by n. So sum y by n, sum of y is 400 and n is number of data, there are 5 data. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 data. It is equal to 80. Is 80. And then if a is 80 plus we calculate what is b value. The b value is sum xy divided by sum x square. Sum xy already calculated, it is 52 and sum x square value is 10. So 52 by 10 is 5.2. So 80 plus b value is 5.2 and x, it is our straight line. Now we calculate what is the trend value. So put x is equal to what is y of 90, 90, 86 expected value, that is the trend value. So 80 plus 5.2 and what is corresponding x? In 1986 corresponding x is minus 2. Otherwise the year is 1986 minus 1988, it is minus 2. Therefore instead of x where it is minus 2. So the value is 69.6. 69.6. Immediately put it here. It is 69.6. That is the trend for 2086. What is the meaning? 69.6 is the expected value, but observed value is 70. But 69.6 our expectations, but original value is 70. It is more than something. Therefore, you get the profit. Okay. And likewise, we calculate the trend value of each and every year. And the substitute x is minus 1, 0, 1, 2 also. So the trend is 74.8 for 87, but expected value is 74, but the expected value is 74.8, observed value is 74, is it? So observed value is less than this expected value, therefore we get small loss. That is the prediction of this trend. Okay. Now we got the problem. We analyze that what is the trend value of y of 1983. 1983. That means 80 plus 5.2. What is the x value? Substitute here. The year is 1983. The year is 1983. So 1983 minus 88 is 5. Minus 5. That is minus 5. After reduction, the value become 52. Okay, so 52 lakhs. Is it? 54 lakhs. Okay. That is 54 lakhs. And similarly for y of 1992. What is the prediction sales of 1992? Substitute x is equal to 1992 minus 1988. It is 4. Therefore 580 plus 5.2 into 4. X value is 4. Why it is 4? The year is 1992. X value is 1988. So 1992 minus 88 is 4. Therefore x is 4. After reduction, it is 100 point something, 8 something lakhs. Okay, that is the prediction. So using this case analysis, some number of years and the predictions or sales are given. We find the predictions value of sale or predictions value